Hello everyone and welcome back to the Man's Kitchen. It's me, your host, James the Food Man. And today I'm going to show you how to make a pasta carbonara. Before we get to today's ingredients, I'd like to ask everybody, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Hit the subscribe button for YouTube and hit the like button so that way I know you like this video. Now we're going to make a carbonara and I'm going to show you how we make it at the restaurant. And one of the principal things we need is actually a squeeze bottle. This is going to make it so much easier to use a squeeze bottle to get the egg sauce into the noodles. And I'm going to take you through our ingredients next and show you what's going to end up going where, and I'll show you how to do it. Our ingredients are going to be pretty simple. We've got some spaghetti. We've got some chicken stock. We've got 2 yolks. I've got about 4 ounces of stock here to go with my yolks. On average, you give each person about 6 ounces of sauce when you make pastas. Did I mention the Parmesan cheese? I might have. Then, on my cutting board, I've got a little butter and some prosciutto. We're going to use that instead of bacon or pancetta. We're going to use prosciutto because that's what I have in the house, and I love prosciutto. I don't know who doesn't. So I'll take you over to the stove and show you what we're going to do with this. Okay, so I have nothing done yet, right? And I'm going to put some sea salt in my water, and we're going to put the noodles in here. So these are spaghetti from Walmart. They say they cook in 6 minutes. I got about 2 orders worth in here, and it's just me. So we're going to take about whatever you're going to eat as 1 order of pasta. We're going to stir that up. 6 minutes. It's 3:18 right now. My chicken stock, I won't lie to you, I already had it boiled up and hot when I showed you the ingredients. So it's now just got back to its boil. And now that it's boiling, I'll show you how to work with the egg yolks. I got my 2 yolks here. I put my frying pan on to preheat it. We're going to break these yolks and start whisking them. I can't find my regular whisk, so we're using an egg beater whisk. It's fine, it'll work. You want to temper this together, just like if you were going to make a creme brulee. So we're going to pour just a little bit of this in. And we're just going to whisk this. And we're going to pour a little bit more in. And we're going to keep whisking. And by adding the heat slowly, you're not going to curdle or scramble the eggs. You're going to have a nice tempered egg sauce. Okay? If you're going to use bouillon cubes, then here's what you do. Get your water boiling for your noodles. When it boils, take some of it out and then mix it in a bowl and then do this. Now we're going to take our squeeze bottle, and the reason we use a squeeze bottle is because you might make a bunch of this. Like you could make this, you could do like 6 eggs in here, 18 ounces, you could fill the squeeze bottle up, and you can have a carbonara all week long for your meals whenever you want one. I could have just taken it out of this bowl and poured it in, but I like the squeeze bottle. And that's how we do it at the restaurant. So that's because we'll make up a whole squeeze bottle, make 2 or 3 of these up for the night, and then we've got about 20 orders worth of carbonara right there. Now I'll take it back to the stove, and we're going to fry up that prosciutto and finish the pasta. We've got our hot, trusty skillet here. I know you can just put the prosciutto in the way it is, and it'll be okay. But I liked a little bit of richness in the butter. It really finishes the sauce up. And for those of you wondering, it is now 3:22 on my clock. So let's think about that. 19, 20, 21, 20. We're 4 minutes into our 6-minute cook on our pasta. Let's stir up the prosciutto. We're going to fry this up basically till the pasta's done. We're not going to do anything special to it. Now you can use bacon, you can use pancetta. Classically you'd use pancetta. I just like prosciutto. We got 2 minutes left till our pasta's done. Okay. You know, let's be a savage. Let's not even switch spoons. Let's just stir it up with this. Okay. Want to make sure that your pasta's not stuck together. Oh, my prosciutto's looking almost done anyways. It doesn't take long to fry up this prosciutto. So we're just going to turn the pan off. Okay. That's done. We got 1 minute left on this pasta. Let's taste it up. You know, if you like it a little al dente, it's good to go right now. So I'm gonna drain this pasta over the sink and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna put our noodles right in there. I'm gonna grab a pair of tongs. And you can work this right from cold, so you can take this right out of the fridge. Okay, whatever way is easier for you to hold. I like to do a spin with my right hand. So basically, I'm just going to start spinning the noodles up and giving it some squeezies. Okay? Try and aim for the center of your noodles. Okay? And work it around the pan, and you can get some of the prosciutto in there. Okay? There, now we've got a really nice, rich egg sauce. Now some people will tell you you should put some of the pasta water in here. By all means, if you want to do that, or if you want to cook the pasta first, sit that pasta water, pull some of that out, and use that with some chicken bouillon, and then you have a starchy chicken stock, by all means go for it. We'll put this in a plate. We'll add some salt and pepper. Actually, you know what? We'll put a little salt and pepper in it right now. A little salt. I'm not the hugest fan on pepper. Just put a little salt in there. We'll put some Parmesan cheese on it when it gets on the plate, and we'll take... Okay, everybody, I have my little single serving of carbonara. And you saw, literally, I was able to start from finish in the time it took me to boil the noodles. So you could definitely, if you're a fan of this kind of pasta, if you like this, then get your prep done ahead of time, get a squeezy of it, leave it in the fridge. You can have probably 5 or 6 portions out of a squeezy like that for yourself. If you're the type of person that just when you make something like this, you just eat it all week because you can't get enough of it, then go for it. Or if you got a family of 6, 1 squeezy, boom, 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 just the way I showed you, and you're gonna get them all to turn out like this. Mmm. Mmm. The eggs give it such a nice richness. The prosciutto, nice and crispy. The butter from frying the prosciutto brings it up a notch. This really is one of the stunning, easy, quick pastas you can make. Remember, like I said, you can even work the sauce cold out of the fridge. The heat from the noodles will heat it up for you. So, if you like today's video, hit that like button. Just smash it. Keep smashing that like button until your whole computer turns blue. Subscribe to this channel, and you'll get to see more videos like this every week. And make sure you follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. That way you can get behind-the-scenes content when we post that kind of stuff here at The Man's Kitchen. Until next week, I am your host, James the Food Man. Stay hungry, my friends.